What's up, guys? I'm Winchester. Today we're on CaseHug and we got $6,000 balance, guys. Welcome to my video. Before the video, guys, as you can see, we have a giveaway. We are giving you a husband knife floor, $250 worth of husband knife floor. If you want to join this giveaway, all you have to do is deposit minimum $3 with my code Winchester. Then you will be able to join my giveaway. Click here and tap my code Winchester, and it also gives you 20% referral bonus, guys. Don't forget to use it. So let's go on our video. Let's go to the case battle section. Let's create one. 2 versus 2. Let's edit. Let's go to the Joker mode. Cover me Joker 10. Driller Joker. I'll add that 10. Mid Joker 10 again. Hostage Joker 5. For a $6,000, that's almost all our money. I'll be on the counter terrorist side. Let's play with random balls. Let's go. We got an M4 here. Okay, $72 contact. We wish they got it. Okay. $5 Glock 18 Shinobu. Okay, we got a moment 9 Marble Fade. $780. That's good. And we got a Royal. We got the Royal and another Nomad knife, $800. That's great. Two spin, guys. We got the third Royal or the second. I don't know. We got the third Nomad knife, 800. They got a Royal this time. And they hit the Nomad too. We got a Royal. Okay. Okay, Neo Rider, they got it. For M4S. FP7 Bloodsport. Okay, they got a Royal this time. They got the Royal again. Let's see. They got a Flip Knife Brightwater. $300. If you boom, okay, we got AK lead missile 230. Okay, we got a nice paragraph knife, $440. That's good. Okay, we got a royal. And here comes a butterfly knife, floor. $1,300. That's a good hit, bro. Nice. Okay, they got a royal. Oh my god, butterfly knife, tiger tooth. $3,000. They are close with $500 and they got another royal. And looks like they're gonna win this case battle, guys, with that royal. AVP Medusa, $3,000. Now the last case, we have to hit a royal. Yeah, we didn't get it. They got the third royal and they are winning this case battle. Butterfly knife, tiger tooth, $3,000. That's bad. They won the case battle with $10,000 each. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.